Got a minute? Let's talk about when your insurance will cover water and mold damage. Most homeowners and renters policies cover sudden and accidental water damage. Examples of that would include a burst pipe, a toilet overflowing, or a broken washing machine. If mold then develops on something like furniture or walls, your company may pay to replace those items. Most home policies do not cover water damage from slow leaks or hidden seepage, including damage from resulting mold. And if mold develops after a flood, that would also not be covered, because most home policies don't cover flood damage. You'd need a separate flood insurance policy. If you need to file a water damage claim, tell your insurance company as soon as possible. Make a list of damaged property, take photos, and make any temporary repairs to prevent more damage. If you hire a mold removal company, make sure it's licensed by the state. If you have extra coverage for mold removal and file an insurance claim, you'll need an inspection to show that the mold was fully removed and that you fixed the problem that caused it. If you've got questions about insurance, call our helpline or visit our website.